Adjusting lights and shades from a smartphone has never been easier, more reliable, or affordable. Experience the ultimate convenience with the Lutron Caseta Wireless Dimmer, Pico Remote Control, and Smart Bridge. The wireless dimmer gives you the ability to set the right light for any activity, whether it's reading, watching TV, entertaining, or having a casual dinner. The dimmer works up to 600 watts of incandescent or halogen and 150 watts of dimmable LED or dimmable CFL. Control the lights from anywhere in the room by using the Pico remote control, either in your hand, on a tabletop pedestal, sold separately, or by mounting the remote directly to the wall. You can even use the Pico remote to control the lights from your car as you arrive home. Use the Lutron Smart Bridge and app to control lights and shades from anywhere. Schedule them to adjust automatically based on the time of day, or create your favorite scenes that adjust multiple lights and shades with the press of a button. This kit includes one wireless in-wall dimmer, one Pico remote control, one coordinating screwless wall plate, and one Lutron Smart Bridge. Pico remote control takes 1 CR2032 battery, included in remote. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Peace of mind. Set lights to automatically adjust with changing seasons so your family always comes back to a well-lit home. You can also enable the Smart Away feature to randomly turn your lights on and off to look like you're home even if you're away. Number 2. Most connected. Caseta connects with more leading smart home devices, including Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit, the Google Assistant, Ring, Serena Shades, and Sonos, than any other smart lighting control brand. Number 3. Control your way. Caseta puts the smarts in the switch so you can control a variety of ways, via the free Lutron app, your voice, or from the wall. Create personalized schedules to change lights at set times or activate scenes with the touch of a button. Number 4. Reliably Smart. The Smart Bridge doesn't use Wi-Fi, so you get super fast, ultra-reliable smart lighting that works right, without slowing your Wi-Fi down with more devices. Number 5. Set it and forget it. Always keep your smart light functionality. Even when the Wi-Fi goes down, there's no need to reset your schedules and scenes or reconnect everything when it comes back online. Number 6. Get more, spend less. One Caseta Smart Switch can control many bulbs at once. Make many bulbs smart, even your existing bulbs. Get smart control of multiple styles of dimmable LED, incandescent, and halogen bulbs. Number 7. Works in any home. Unlike other smart dimmer switches, Caseta works in any home, of any age, as it does not require a neutral wire. Number 8. Easy 3-way setup. Create a 3-way by mounting Pico to almost any wall surface. No cutting holes or pulling wire, with a wall mount bracket, Pico WBX Adapt sold separately. Replace existing 3-way switches by mounting the bracket and Pico over the back box. Number 9. Technical details. Works with up to 150-watt dimmable LED light bulbs, CFL light bulbs, or 600-watt incandescent bulbs, halogen bulbs. Not rated for low-voltage applications, i.e. track or landscape lighting. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Is this the in-wall switch you have to wire, along with remote and hub? Answer. Yes. You do have to wire the switch into the wall. The remote and hub are wireless. Question number 2. Will it work with 220 bulbs? Answer. The Caseta wireless dimmer in this package is only rated 120 volts. Due to this fact, Lutron would not suggest using 220 volts bulbs with this device. Question number 3. How do I get rid of the buzzing sound? I only hear the buzz when the light is turned on. Answer. Adjust the brightness either up or down. Changing light bulbs to a different brand can also the trick. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.